You don't know there with the beautiful young lady. The main question is, can your partner be friends with their ex?
Hell no.
Can your partner be friends with their ex?
Oh, my partner?
Yes, your partner.
No, not alright. All fire take easy for catch. Nope. I am friends with a lot of my exes, but not my partner.
Your partner.
No.
So why? You're not trust?
I'm obsessive and possessive and very jealous.
Wow.
Yeah.
Alright, thanks. Can your partner be friends with their ex? So the man we live with, can the man past girlfriend still make contact online or something?
No.
No? Why you say no?
Because he's busy, his girlfriend.
Yeah. They can't walk?
No.
Yes, so then we get back together?
Yeah. Then we get back together.
Okay. You know, we're here today with the beautiful young ladies, and the question for the day is, can your partner be friends with their ex?
It depends on who the ex is.
Okay, you?
No.
And why is that?
I mean, why do you need to be friends? And it depends on what you call friends. I mean, if you see your ex on the road, you can say hi, bye, but no friend business.
Friend.
No.
They can't call and text. No,
if you want, no, sir. No, sir, if you want. It shouldn't be all the time, but sometimes, yes.
Sometimes.
Yes.
Alright, thanks, yeah?
No problem.
Can your partner be friends with their ex?
No.
No?
No.
And why is that?
Because if they don't left already, so why since them are going to be friends? And me and him, in can't they talk to his ex. Next thing, him and his ex girlfriend, but then they.
Something go on?
No, I'm not going with them.
Alright, thanks, yeah? Can your partner be friends with their ex?
Of course.
Of course.
Yes.
So what you say, they can call and text?
Nothing wrong with that. It's an ex.
It's an ex?
Yes.
So
it's not like they're together or anything like that. It's friends, right?
I wonder why. For a reason.
they say no friend.
Don't know. Friend then done. Then don't call hold for your keys if it catch.
Can your partner be friends with their ex?
Yes, I don't have a problem about that.
Okay, so they can call and text each other, right?
Yes, because they know him. Alright, she know him before me, so obviously I don't have a problem. But from there, not doing nothing sexual intercourse, I don't have any problem.
Can your partner be friends with their ex?
Of course, man, that's not wrong with that.
Not wrong with that.
No.
So what you say, they can call and text too?
Of course, as long as I know me, them I talk about.
Can your partner be friends with their ex?
Yes, of course.
So they can call and they can text too?
Yes, once my partner trusts in oneself and the ex, and one thing so then don't just social friend, nothing is wrong with that.
Can your partner be friends with their ex?
Yes, me not no problem with me friend with my ex. As long as they not chat me or talk not with enough to talk, you can talk to him.